WB washing is to re-wet the leather and give the leather more moisture after the samming process. Water from the re-wetting process is stored in a separate tank and reused up to 7 days before discharging to the main wastewater treatment system. This process reduces the water consumption by up to 70% for this process. With the splitting machine, the leather is split into grain split and fresh split. In ISA TanTec, we only use the grain split for shoe leather. The leather is always split 0.2 to 0.3 millimeters thicker to allow for the shaving process. The raw materials are sorted into many grades according to the product characteristics. The hides are stamped in the distinguished grade in later processes. Shaving is a mechanical operation to obtain even thickness. This process is done by a high-precision machine with a tolerance of only 0.2 millimeters. Re-tanning achieves certain leather physical properties and colors according to customer requirements. Most of the hot water needed for re-tanning is supplied by thermal solar. Our re-tanning machines are state-of-the-art, operating at low RPM, compared to the old vessels which operate at 18 RPM. This does not only help to save energy, water, and chemical consumption, but it is also gentle to the leather. We recycle a large amount of processing water. This saves about 30% of fresh water. Setting out is a mechanical dewatering method to get rid of extra water and to stretch out all the creases which occurred during the re-tanning process. The moisture of leather after setting out can be lowered down to about 50%, and the leather will be flat after the setting out process. After setting out, the leathers will be dried through different energy-saving operations, such as tunnel dryer, hang dryer, vacuum dryer, and toggle dryer. In order to get good softness from the dried leather, all the leathers will go to the staking operation. This staking helps to open the fibers so as to achieve consistent, even softness on the whole side. Milling helps to loosen the fiber and achieve a natural milling pebble effect. According to specific requirements on the final product, we inspect the semi-product right after the wet and dry processes to ensure no non-conforming product goes into the next process. Leather finishing, including spraying, roller coating, printing, etc., are the methods used to apply a thin layer of colorful liquid, finishing agent, film forming agent, fixing agent, shiny agent, oil, wax, etc. on the leather surfaces to protect or improve the look and physical properties. The resource-preserving finishing application reduces chemical waste by 60% and causes less air emissions. The final quality check is done according to SATRA standard, ensuring no non-conforming product goes to our customers. In the meantime, each leather is clearly graded on the backside of the finished leather. Our laboratory testing on physical values, as per customer-agreed specification, guarantees the final product meets customers' requirements. At last, after checking quality and finalizing all requirements, the leather is well packed for shipping.